friends, welcome to the Key West Tropical Forests and Botanical Garden. We're here with another story time, and this week we're talking about spiders. Creepy, crawly little bugs. So we have a fun book. It's called The Very Busy Spider. What do you think the spider's going to be doing? Let's find out. Early one morning, the wind blew a spider across the field. A thin, silky thread trailed from her body. The spider landed on a fence post near a farmyard and began to spin a web with her silky thread. So here's our fence and our spider, and she's making herself a web. "Nay, nay," said the horse. "Want to go for a ride?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "Moo, moo," said the cow. "Want to eat some grass?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. Look at how much progress she's made. Her web's getting bigger and bigger. "Bah, bah," bleated who's that? The sheep. "Want to run in the meadow?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "What is this?" "It's a goat." "Ma, ma," said the goat. "Want to jump on the rocks?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "What do pigs say?" "Oink, oink," grunted the pig. "Want to roll in the mud?" What do you think the spider said? She didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "Who's this?" "It's a dog." "Woof, woof," barks the dog. "Want to chase a cat?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. What a pretty web we have. It's all starting to come together. "Meow, meow," cried the cat. "Want to take a nap?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web. "Quack, quack," called the duck. "Want to go for a swim?" The spider didn't answer. She had now finished her web. Look at that. She has a nice big web. What do you think the spider wants to do with her web now? "Cock-a-doodle-doo," crowed the rooster. "Want to catch a pesky fly?" And the spider caught the fly in her web just like that. Spiders make their webs so that they can catch flies and other bugs so that they can eat. Who, asked the owl. "Who built this beautiful web?" The spider didn't answer. She had fallen asleep. It had been a very, very busy day. There's our spider, sound asleep. The end. All right, so for our craft today, we're going to do a spider web themed craft. Like the spider in here was building her web, we're going to build one for ourselves. So this is a pretty simple craft. All you need is a paper plate, some scissors, a hole punch to make these holes, some string, yarn, or ribbon, and I used a bead as my spider. So what I did was I first folded the paper plate in half and cut out a half circle so that I cut out the middle of the paper plate. Then I took my hole punch and went all around the inside circle, about 1 inch apart. And then I tied my string, you can kind of see it right here, to one of the circles and just weaved in and out. So I went kind of to opposite circles to weave my web, and then tied it just like I did in the beginning. You can find a tutorial to make this on our Google Classrooms page. Make sure to visit Keywest.garden/education to sign up for our Google Classroom page. Find the link to all of the crafts and activities on there. And speaking of activities, today we're going to be counting how many legs does a spider have. Do you know how many legs a real spider has? They have 8 legs, but some of our spiders here might be missing a few. So let's count and see how many they have. Let's start with this one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 legs on this spider. So in the blank right here, I'm going to write letter number 6. Okay. This one is a little bit more tricky. It looks kind of funny. So on this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the other side we have 5, 6, 7 legs. So I'm going to write that in this blank. So again, you can find the activity on our Google Classroom page so that you can count the number of spider legs we have. Okay guys, thanks for joining me. I hope to see you next week for another story time.